Hello all, let's discuss the sample question paper today, and from this we are selecting the trigonometry questions. Okay, this is the question paper and the previous year board exam questions are included in this sample question paper. Let us discuss that. If x tan 60 cos 60 equals sin 60 cot 60, then x equals, we have to find the answer from the options. No need to find the exact value of x. So we can simply write x tan 60. Instead of tan 60, we can write sin 60 divided by cos 60. So we can cancel out many terms. And cos 60 equals sin 60 cot 60. Okay. So cos 60 degree cancelled out, and here you can see sin 60 is there in both sides, so you can cancel that also. The value for x equals cot 60, but cot 60 is not in the options, right? But instead of cot 60 we can take tan 30. Both are same, right? Cot 60's value, can you say cot 60 is 1 divided by tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3, so 1 over root 3. 1 over root 3, that this value exactly matches with tan 30. Okay, so this is a 1 mark question. No need to waste much time on this. If sin theta plus cos theta equals root 2, then tan theta plus cot theta equals. So this is also a 1 mark question because you have to select the answer from the options. This also you can guess the value for theta. Actually it is root 2, right? So can you guess what could be the value for theta? If I guess it as 45 degree, because I know sine 45 is 1 over root 2 and cos 45 also 1 over root 2. If I add both of them, I'll get 1 over root 2 plus 1 over root 2 is root 2. So exactly the value of theta is 45 degree, right? Sin 45 plus cos 45, I'm getting root 2. So just substitute the angle, the theta value here. Tan 45 plus cot 45. Tan 45 is 1, cot 45 is 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 is the answer for this question. So if you are not good at guessing, if you are not sure 45 degree and guessing, you can do in the other way. So just take the square of this term. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square. That would be square of root 2. That is 2. So it will be sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. This value is 2. And what is sin square theta cos square theta? It is 1. So can you say 2 sin theta cos theta will be 2 minus 1, right? 2 minus 1 is 1. So sin theta cos theta equals 1 over 2. So just keep it in mind. But I don't prefer this method because it takes so much time, right? In this method, in less than 30 seconds, you got the answer as 2. But here it consumes much time. So sin theta cos theta equals half. And here, and let's write tan theta plus cot theta as sin theta divided by cos theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta. Here also you can cross multiply sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by cos theta sin theta. So this is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 by sin theta cos theta, right? So sin theta cos theta equals 1 by 2. So 1 divided by sin theta cos theta, it's the reciprocal of this one. So that would be 2. Again, the answer is same. Okay. If 5 tan beta equals 4, then 5 sin beta minus 2 cos beta divided by 5 sin beta plus 2 cos beta. So we can write that instead of 5 sin beta, I can write 5 sin beta divided by cos beta minus 2 cos beta divided by cos beta. I'm just dividing all the terms by cos beta because I can make the sin beta into tan beta. 5 sin beta divided by cos beta plus 2 cos beta divided by cos beta. Okay, all the terms divided by cos theta because I want to make it tan beta. So what is this? Sin beta divided by cos beta is tan beta. So 5 tan beta, that is 4. In the question it is given, it is 4 minus cos beta by cos beta 1. So 4 minus 2 divided by the same thing happening here. Sin beta by cos beta is tan beta. 5 tan beta is 4. 4 plus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 by 6. 1 by 3 is the answer. Okay. If sin a plus b equals 1 and cos a minus b equals root 3 by 2, then find the measures of angles A and B. We have done this kind of question in the previous question paper also. So sin A plus B equals 1. What value of theta could be? Sin theta would be 1. Okay. So theta must be 90 degree, right? Then only sin 90 will be 1. So A plus B must be 90. And what about cos A minus B? Cos A minus B is root 3 by 2. So definitely theta should be, theta means A plus B, the angle. I just meant the angle. A minus B should be 30 degree, right? Yeah, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So A minus B equals 30 degree. Just solve this. We can add these two equations to solve. 2A is 120. So A would be 120 divided by 2, 60 degree. If A is 60 degree, B must be, A plus B is 90. So B must be 30 degree. So A is greater than B. That also satisfied. And 60 plus 30, 90. Sin 90 is 1. 60 minus 30, 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Find an acute angle theta when cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta equals 1 minus root 3 divided by 1 plus root 3. Any method you can use, but I am using here the simplest one, just dividing all the terms with cos theta. Okay, cos theta all divided by cos theta, I'll get cos theta by cos theta 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta. So here you can see 1 minus tan theta is 1 minus root 3. 1 plus tan theta is 1 plus root 3. Okay, equating the numerator and denominator. So you can see tan theta's which value matches with root 3. Okay, when tan theta would become root 3. When theta becomes 60 degree, right? When theta becomes 60 degree, tan theta must be root 3. Prove the following that tan cube theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta plus cot cube theta divided by 1 plus cot square theta equals sec theta cosec theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay. So, you know, right? The identities we always say sec square theta minus tan square theta equals 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals 1, and one more is there, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So here we can use 1 plus tan square theta. What is that? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. And instead of tan cube theta, I am writing sin cube theta divided by cos cube theta. And instead of, 1 by sec square theta would be there. Instead of 1 by sec square theta, I can write cos square theta. Okay. I hope you understand. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. And 1 by sec square theta is cos square theta. Okay. Plus, instead of cot cube theta, I am writing cos cube theta divided by sin cube theta. So instead of 1 plus cot square theta, I have cosec square theta. I'm sorry. 1 by cosec square theta is sin square theta. Okay. And I can cancel these terms. cos cube theta, 1 cos theta, 2 cos thetas will be cancelled out here, and sin thetas will be cancelled out here. So sin cube theta by cos theta plus cos cube theta by sin theta. When we are doing cross multiplication, we will get sin raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta divided by sin theta cos theta. Okay, so here you can use, a plus b, a square plus b square equals a plus b the whole square minus 2ab, because a plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? That 2ab, if you subtract, we will get a square plus b square. So instead of a square, we can use sin raised to 4 theta. Instead of b square, we can use cos raised to 4 theta. So a will be sin square theta and b will be cos square theta. So a plus b the whole square is sin square theta plus cos square theta the whole square minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Okay, divided by sin theta cos theta. Okay, sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. So 1 divided by sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta divided by sin theta cos theta. That is 2 sin theta cos theta. What is this? The first term, 1 by sin theta cos theta, is the reciprocal of this one, right? Sec theta cosec theta. So we can write this is actually sec theta cosec theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, hence we proved. So this is a 38th question. Okay, we all have seen the airplanes flying in the sky, but might have not thought of how they actually reach the correct destination. Air Traffic Control (ATC) is a service provided by ground-based air traffic controllers who direct aircraft on the ground and through a given section of controlled airspace, and can provide advisory services to aircraft in non-controlled airspace. Actually, all this air traffic is managed and regulated by using various concepts based on the coordinate geometry and trigonometry. So this is actually, we should read all these things, but in exam hall, we may not get time, right? At least when you are doing the previous year question paper or sample question paper, just try to understand what they are saying, okay, before answering the questions. Okay, let's start answering the question. This is the information, right? At a given instance, ATC finds that the angle of elevation of an airplane from a point on the ground is 60 degrees. After a flight of 30 seconds, it is observed that the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. The height of the plane remains constantly as 3000 root 3 meters. Use the above information to answer the questions that follow. So the first question, draw a neat labeled figure to show the above situation diagrammatically. So I can just say this point is as the ground. Okay, here, from here, they are doing the observation of a plane. It is here at point B. Okay, so this line is important, and this also. So this is a horizontal line, and this is the line joining the observation point and the object. Okay, this makes an angle of elevation 60 degree. And after 30 seconds, the flight reached another point, right? We can make it as C. So after 30 seconds, it reached here. So again, we should draw this angle of elevation. Here we can see it is 30 degree. Okay, making an angle between the horizontal line and the line joining the observation point and the object. Okay, and the height at which the flight is flying, that height is 3000 root 3 meters. Okay, actually this line is not needed. If you draw, there is no problem. Okay, what is the distance traveled by the plane in 30 seconds? So they're asking the distance traveled by the plane in 30 seconds, that is BC. Okay, BC you should find. BC is equal to DE, right? So here the complete angle is 60 degree and this small one is 30 degree. I should find DE, right? BC is the thing we have to find, and that is same as DE. How do we find the DE? First, you can find the complete length AE using the triangle ACE, right? Then, using the triangle ABD, you can find this small distance and just subtract AE minus AD, you will get DE, right? So, in triangle ACE, can you say tan 30, right? Tan 30 is opposite side. CE divided by AE. Okay, tan 30 is 1 over root 3 equals CE is, it is given 3000 root 3 meter divided by AE. So AE, that long distance is 3000 root 3 times root 3. That is 3000 times 3, 9000 meters. Okay. It is 9000 meters. Next, we have to find AD. So, for that, we want the triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, which angle is given? 60 degree. So, tan 60. Tan 60 equals opposite side BD over AD. Right? BD over AD. And that is 3000 root 3 divided by AD. That tan 60 is root 3. Okay, so AD will be 3000 root 3 divided by root 3, 3000 meters. Okay, you got the long AE and AD. So DE is AE minus AD, that is 9000 minus 3000, 6000 meters. Right, 6000 meter is the answer for this question. 6000 meters. Keeping the height constant during the above flight, it was observed that after 15 times root 3 minus 1 seconds, angle of elevation changed to 45 degree. It was 60 degree after this time, not 30 seconds. In previous question, it was 30 seconds, but here it is 15 times root 3 minus 1 seconds. Okay, so the angle of elevation is 45 degree, some point before the point C. Okay, so this one all are same. This observation point, flight was at B first. Then second point, we can't write C here because it is different point, G. And D is same, but here we can say F. Okay. So how much distance is traveled in that duration? So we have to find BG, right? BG is same as DF. We have to calculate DF. So here also we want to find the complete AF first, then subtract AD. AD we already know, right? We already know AD as 3000 meters. So whatever we get as AF, just subtract 3000 from that value. So in triangle AGF, okay, tan 45 equals opposite side GF divided by AF, right? What is GF? It's keeping the height constant, right? In the question it is mentioned. So 3000 root 3 meter is constant. GF is 3000 root 3 meter divided by AF. That is tan 45 is 1. So definitely AF will be same as 3000 root 3. Okay. My drawing is not perfect. Okay, please understand. This is same. AF and GF is same. 3000 root 3 meters. So you can find DF. Okay. How much is the distance traveled in that duration? That is DF. DF is AF minus AD. AF is 3000 root 3. AD we already found 3000 meter. So we can subtract 3000 root 3 minus 1 meter. This is the answer. Okay. What is the speed of the plane in kilometer per hour? So speed, we know the equation, distance over time. So here we can take the distance as 6000 meter. In first question we found, right? In 30 seconds, airplane covered 6000 meters. So we can find this as 200 meters per second, right? But we want the answer in kilometer per hour. So whenever we get the answer in meters per second, if you want to convert this kilometer per hour, just multiply with 18 divided by 5. Okay, meter to kilometer and second to hour. So just multiply 18 divided by 5. So here the speed is 200 times 18 divided by 5. Okay, just divide it. 720 kilometer per hour. This is the answer for this question. Thank you.